Sincerely yours, Nadia.
Okay guys, so as you can see, it came out pretty okay. Actually, it came out great, so I'm really excited. I thought this was going to be a whole disaster. And you know, some areas you can see like this part here, it's like, listen, I had to scoop it in the mold like mashed potatoes, okay? Your girl was struggling, all right? I was struggling like nobody's business. It's still a little creamy, and that's okay because we're gonna put it on a drying rack and allow it to dry for about a month. I like to let my soap cure for about a month. The mace that, you know, the little flecks of mace that's going throughout this soap bar, absolutely stunning. I'm so proud of this batch. You know, I wasn't able to do like the swirls and, you know, my little fancy ones and twos, but, you know, I'm proud of it. It still looks good. You see all the little grooves and everything. So we're going to get ready to cut this. I hope you like this video. Please make sure you like, subscribe. Y'all, we only have 10 subscribers. Like, what's up with that? I mean, come on now. I know I have somebody out there that loves me, okay? Hit the like button, share me out, subscribe, dang it, subscribe. So let's get ready to cut. I know I'm gonna have more than 10 subs after this video because you guys love me and I love you back. I'm so grateful for every single person who subscribes. Be sure to come back because we will have more uploads every week, okay? All right, let's get started. Here we go. design, y'all. I'm always telling you guys that no matter what, you may have an idea about how you want your soap to come out, but honey, that soap will have a mind of its own, okay? So I had some extra batch left over, and I scooped it into a mold, and I was able to have, a little bit more left over. So we're gonna cut that up also, and there you have it, those tiny bars on the side. I think they're cute. This batch is smelling like, peppermint patty honey. I'm so happy with this batch. It is super strong in my soap room. It's a pure essential peppermint oil, mica oxides. I use coconut activated charcoal, and I couldn't be more proud of the batch. I hope you like this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I can't say that enough. I'm hoping that you guys go and subscribe to the platform. Let me know what you think about this batch of soap. And let's not forget, for those of you who are wondering, this is Alchemy. I named this batch of soap Alchemy because, honey, the way it tried to turn up on your girl, okay, and get all funky inside the damn pot, all right, it serves its purpose when it comes to its name. So this is Alchemy Part 3.
Sincerely yours.